Special vlog for y'all. We are going to a bike show in Alexandria Bay, and I it was nothing wrong with my last tire, but it did have 1,500 miles on it, so I swapped out for the Supermoto yesterday. This is a Dunlop tire, 190/19. I put it right on the stock rim. Whoa, it says tubeless, but I put a tube in there. Bro, if you see how that is compared to the stock one, crazy. The jetpack is fully packed. About the seat been looking hit. It needs some love. I made a brand new seat last night, and I'm gonna put this seat on at the car show. At the bike show. So I'll be there working on my bike, and in about a half hour of me being there, it'll be looking stunning. She needs to get washed down, or I'll figure that out. They probably got a hose there. But yeah, gang, let's ride. Yo gang, just a little update, because y'all probably wondering what. So I'm riding off course, of course, like, you know, I went the fast route, so it was in a place I've never been before, as you guys can see. I think so. I'm trying to get to A Bay essentially, but I kind of got a flat on the way.
Basically, if you stay on this road, go all the way into Depauville.
Yeah.
You're gonna go down a hill, and you're gonna come to a stop sign.
Few moments later.
Okay.
Right at the stop sign.
Okay.
And then you're gonna cross a little bit of a bridge. There's another caution light.
3 days later.
Right?
Okay.
Take the left, and that'll take you right to Clayton.
Okay.
And then once you come into Clayton, you're gonna come into the very first light.
1 eternity later.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, it's like a 4 miles from the village to
4 miles.
those directions. You'll get to the AMA with no problem.
Thank you so much, boss. You guys are awesome.
Have a good day.
You too. God bless. Thank you. That was cool. So I guess it's just a good time of day. So they let me know I could go straight, which is great. Cause I kind of was wondering, but this is what it looked like, guys. Gang, gang. My rim hates me right now. My new tire hates me. An inner tube pop. Now I'm doing 10 miles per hour in a place I don't even know. They say this is Depauville. Shit look like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I better not ask the wrong people for help. Dang.
I'm gonna go stupid on this TLB. I'm not. I've been hot since the birth of my son. time.
Yo, you by chance ever used Fix-A-Flat?
Fix-A-Flat?
Have you ever used that?
Yeah.
How? Yesterday, is that your XR right there?
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome, bro. Yo, fly racing, man.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what's up, bro. Yesterday, I went to Watertown, went to the Power Sports up on top of Washington Street. And I went in and got a tire. Do you vlog with your bike?
No.
You super should, because that's super interesting. And you're in New York State, so like you definitely get subscribers. And
Thank you.
yeah, my channel is almost monetized right now, so I'll be making money off of it pretty soon.
Yeah.
But I just started in August last year. I literally have those same goggles, dude. That's so crazy. I have to vlog this. Yo, man. How, imagine that, dude. We're like same person from different universes.
Yeah.
Yo, Riley, nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah.
That was awesome, man. Thank you for your information. Be safe. Look at that, folks. American pie. Nice two greasy gas station slices. About to destroy that. Then get back to life. But for now, I don't know where I am, and I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but would you look at the crust on that? Nah, y'all can't see it. Look. Yo, peep the crust on that. Oh my God. All right, gang.
You may not know right where you're going. I do, I do, I do.
Slime prevents and repairs flat tires. Tube sealant. So I've made it to Clayton, and I bought this here. Seals instantly for 2 years. Stops slow leaks. Safe and easy. That's what I need. Maybe I should do this at the air. Damn. Out of order. Damn. So you know where I could find air besides this pump?
No idea. Sorry. Not in town.
Right. I guess that one says out of order. I'm still trying. Thanks, man.
Oh, you got a flat, huh?
Yeah, dude.
He's got hair. I don't know which one works.
I'm gonna try it.
The road works.
Oh, word?
This one sucks.
Is there another pump up the road?
Yeah, it's up the next at the caution light.
Is
I
that-
know theirs works.
Is that inner towards Clayton more?
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah, it'd be going that way a little bit. I don't know how far
Next
you can ride
caution light.
like that. But,
I've been riding since the Poville.
oh, Jesus.
Yeah, just doing 10 miles per hour,
Right.
so I don't hurt my rims.
What brand is that?
This is Surron X.
Surron X, all electric.
Yeah, and waterproof.
Huh.
I'll be vlogging with it. I got a channel. This, I mean, I originally came all the way from Sackett's, really,
No shit.
but I realized that I was out of air like maybe halfway. I'm like, shit.
Right. How long, you can go a long ways on a battery?
I could have gone to A Bay, which is where I was headed to, if I didn't catch the flat. The
right,
flat
yeah,
is changing
that's eating your
my
battery, I'm
yeah, it
sure,
is. So
You got some slime.
yeah, once I get over to a good air pump, I'll be straight.
I'll ask them right now. I'm gonna go tell them to turn the pump on. I'll see if that works for you.
That'd be super cool. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Pardon. Cool.
Yeah, his air pump's still not working, so
Gotcha.
I go right up to the right at the caution light. You'll see it.
Caution
right on the
light,
left
yeah.
is a store.
Thank you
Their
so
air
much,
pumps
bro.
work. Yeah.
You have an awesome one. Thank you so much, man. Cool. Yo, gang, so that pump was not valid, but I did make it to Clayton. 13%. Yep, Thousand Islands right here, baby. Fucking. So the guy said that there's an air pump up here at the caution light, one of these spots over here. Maybe he's talking about this place. Oh, up there, Sunoco. Damn, look at all the bikes out, dude. I'm missing everything, dude. I could have had 100 subscribers already. Fucking nuts. And I could have had my chair on. But I'm gonna get there. Gang. So guys, I am in Clayton. Blew my battery. Both batteries. But still a good day. I got air in the tire. I mean, it's doing good at the moment, but I know it ain't valid. I never got the sealant in it. I'm gonna have to makeshift way get the sealant in it. But that's still a challenge. Or get to somewhere that could get that fucking valve out from me. Anyway, I should have at least 5 minutes to find a fucking place to charge up. Might as well show y'all the beautiful town of Clayton. Cause I'm not making it to Alexandria Bay for a minute. And I gotta delete random footage that wasn't worth keeping. What up, Heather?
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good.
Nice. Pardon. Defrenzio. Alright, so right now I'm going to the spot that I think should have a plug-in so I can charge up. I'm on 11%. This has to be my final destination for now until I find a charge port. Chill out for a couple of hours. So of course they're having a whole fair here where I just wanted to charge. Damn, look at that big ass anchor. It's crazy. Freaking trucks everywhere. Holy cow.
Pretty good stuff right there, guys. All right,
Smokes, look at that guy on the freaking water jet. Yo, they outside today. Jet ski, boat, air jet. What the hell? Nothing but boats and beauty on this side. Clayton is hands down the best. That's crazy. They outside. Wow. That's awesome. Yo, they outside today. Jet ski.
It just helps.
That is super cool.
And I was on the trail. I love it.
Yo, shit, holy smoke. Yo, these tires are
26 by 4s.
massive.
Yeah.
Damn.
I ran up some glass a while ago.
That is
You know where Dexter is?
Yep.
Ran up a piece of beer bottle. This is, since I have 2 of them, since I got hit by a car. Day for school, actually.
The first one is total?
The first one, it's an air shock. So you're probably used to that with yours.
Mm-hmm.
The front broke. This is aluminum, all aluminum. This whole front.
Wow.
This went flying out.
Holy
Like
smoke.
this whole part went straight out
Dang.
about probably here, so both sides.
That's crazy.
Brakes were okay. Brakes were fine. Battery locked in. This is the battery that came with
That
this
is
one.
awesome.
Battery still works with my original one. And it's a rocket appropriate for
Is that a 52? What is good, gang? Riding through Clayton. 7% battery. And we are charging, gang. Ooh.